Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to add the Arduino library to Proteus 8. First, you will find the download link in the first comment below. After downloading, open the folder, and you will find two files inside. Next, we will open the Proteus installation folder on your computer. Then, look for the folder called Library. Now, copy the two files that you downloaded and paste them inside the Proteus library folder. After that, close everything and open Proteus again to test if the library is installed correctly. Click on Pick Devices and search for Arduino. And that's it. As you can see, the Arduino library is now successfully installed in Proteus. Don't forget to leave a comment if this video helped you solve your problem. And thank you for watching.